Okay, this is how to set up your sound and make sure that your sound is perfect in OBS. Here you can see that my sound meters are not moving. Even if I on this one, it's not moving. If I like, let me add more like on height hall. So maybe I only have these two lined up. I can now none of them is moving, right? It means that sound is not coming in. Okay, I can choose to go in here and look for properties. That's the best thing to do, and then look for the USB or this the sound card, the sound input you're using to select. But for you being a starter, you might not understand how to do all of that here. But let me just try something. I select cable. Is it moving? It's not moving. Go to select. I'm going to select all of them. Select this other one. Check. Is the sound moving? Is the meter moving? It's not moving. Select this other one. Is it moving? No. Select this other one. Is it moving? No. All right, because currently now my system is not giving out sound in any way, and it is not speaking sound from anywhere current. That's why no meter the meter is not moving. However, you will have to set it up through the sound um, properties or the sound mixer, sound control panel rather, how you want your sound to be routed. Now let's get into that. So first of all, we'll go to control panel, start control, the control panel. Excuse me. When you open some control panel, look for sound. What's that? Yes, okay. Look for sound. Open the sound. Now in the sound, you have playback, you have recording, you have sounds and communications. What we want to do now is to first of all go to recording tab. For me now, as my microphone is talking, you can hear here. You will see that this meter is moving, meaning that this energy is coming in through these microphones that is talking. However, in your own instances whereby maybe the sound USB is not connected, or even if it's connected, the mixer is not powered, whereby nothing is moving, all of them are standing straight. What you might do is to look for the one that has USB. In my own instance, I don't know I'm going to have it. Okay, you can see USB audio one. The one can be anything, so it means that this is a USB input I'm using. But avoid video capture device, that one that carries sound with what do we call it, with camera through the HDMI input. Avoid that one. Okay, anyone that shows video or capture device, leave that one. So now this is my USB. You can hear the sound is coming in. So if someone is making use of a mixer and as they are talking, you will see movements, some movement around here. So double click on that. Maybe I want to rename this and call it mixer, for instance. That's just to help me identify it very fast. Okay, so that's my mixer sound. Then go to the listen tab and click listen to this device. When you check this box, select the channel through which you want to listen to this device. For me now, I don't want to use defaults. I want to use maybe like line one or any of these. Just choose any one. For you who is using USB sound and you want to listen back to the USB sound too, please also listen back to the sound through the same USB audio, not USB capture, USB audio device. So my own case now is just virtual audio cable anyway, line one. I will go and rename it. So I will apply the sound here, apply here. That is step one on this place. Now go back to playback. Look for that line one. Look for that line one. You can even see that the meter is moving here. That's the one I'm looking for. I want to rename this line one to now to main, main sound. The essence of renaming it is it's not compulsory, just for me to be able to identify it when I get back to OBS to know which one to pick. So I'm done with this place. I can now close this place and now return back to OBS. That doesn't change anything here. I have to come in to OBS. Let's say through tap on this button here, properties, and then select that this was supposed to be that line one thing, but I have renamed it to main sound. So the moment I rename it through the sound control panel, everything comes here. So this is my main sound. I select main sound. As I'm talking now, you can see the sound meter moving, meaning that the sound is coming in real time here, right? So that is how to set up sound. And in some instances, for you that is going to make use of sound directly from the mixer, please turn off or disable all other sound channels so that they will not be bringing in noise or feedback or unnecessary sound iterations into your recording or stream. All right, so that is how to get it done. Thank you.